A shield of steel, Indus Shield-2024, Pakistan, land of the pure, home of the brave, a nation with a rich history and a promising future. We recently witnessed a grand display of our strength and unity, the Indus Shield-2024, a military exercise like no other, showcasing our preparedness. It showed the world our unwavering commitment to peace and stability. Indus Shield-2024 was more than just an exercise. It was a testament to our capabilities. It was a symbol of our resolve, a message of deterrence and strength. We are always ready to defend our borders, no matter the threat. We are prepared to protect our people in every situation. This exercise demonstrated our extensive capabilities and readiness. Our soldiers are the best. Our equipment is top-notch, ensuring we are always prepared. We are ready for any challenge, no matter how tough. We will never back down. Our resolve is unshakable. The world watched in awe, witnessing our strength and unity. They saw the might of Pakistan, a force to be reckoned with. They saw our dedication to peace and humanitarian efforts. Indus Shield-2024 was a resounding success, a proud moment for all. We made our nation proud, showcasing our strength and unity to the world. A global stage showcasing strength and cooperation. Indus Shield-2024 was huge. Many countries joined us. They came from all over the world. Friends and allies stood together. We shared our knowledge. We learned from each other. We built strong bonds. Together we are stronger. This exercise was about cooperation. We face common threats. We need to work together. Indus Shield-2024 brought us closer. We are ready to face any challenge, side by side. The world saw our commitment. We are a responsible nation. We believe in peace through strength. We will always stand by our friends. We will always defend what is right. Technological prowess, guardians of the future. We showed our latest technology, advanced weapon systems, cutting-edge equipment. We are ready for the future of warfare. Our fighter jets roared through the sky. They demonstrated their precision. Our soldiers are highly skilled. They are trained to use the latest technology. They are the guardians of our future. They will keep us safe. Indus Shield-2024 sent a clear message. We are a modern military power. We will not be intimidated. We will defend our interests. Section 4. Strategic significance, a beacon of stability. Pakistan is a key player in the region, holding a pivotal position that influences regional dynamics. We are a responsible nation, committed to maintaining order and discipline within our ranks. We promote peace and stability, engaging in various initiatives to foster harmony and development. Indus Shield-2024 proved that. Our location is strategic, and our readiness is unparalleled. We are at the crossroads of Asia, connecting diverse cultures and economies. We are a bridge between East and West, facilitating cooperation and understanding. We play a vital role in global affairs, contributing to international peacekeeping and security. This exercise enhanced our standing, showcasing our capabilities and dedication. We showed our commitment to regional security, working closely with our allies. We are a force for good in the world, providing aid and support in times of need. Pakistan is a beacon of hope, shining brightly in the face of adversity. We strive for peace and prosperity, working tirelessly to create a better world. We want a better future for our children, ensuring they grow up in a safe and prosperous environment. Indus Shield 2024 was a step in that direction, marking our progress and commitment. Section 5. Global partnerships, forging bonds of security. Indus Shield 2024 strengthened our partnerships. We worked together with our allies. We shared our experiences. We learned from each other. These partnerships are crucial. We face common challenges: terrorism, extremism, and climate change. We need to work together to overcome them. Indus Shield 2024 fostered trust. It promoted understanding. It brought us closer together. We are stronger when we stand united. Our partnerships are an asset. They enhance our security. They promote regional stability. They contribute to global peace. Section 6. Towards a peaceful future. Pakistan's steadfast resolve. Indus Shield 2024 was a resounding success, demonstrating our unity and strength. It showcased the best of Pakistan, our military strength, our technological prowess, our unwavering commitment to peace and security. We sent a clear message to the world, a message of resilience and determination. Pakistan is a responsible nation, dedicated to maintaining global harmony. We are a force for good, always ready to lend a helping hand. We are committed to a peaceful future, nurturing our land and our people. We will continue to play our part, collaborating with allies for a safer world. We will work with our partners, fostering strong international relationships. We will strive for peace and stability, ensuring a secure environment for all. We will build a better future for all through dedication and hard work. Pakistan Zindabad. Long live Pakistan. Our spirit is unbreakable. We will overcome any challenge. We will achieve greatness together as one. We will never give up. Our resolve is steadfast, our future bright.